Hi guys, welcome to my channel. So today I'll be trying to make my first AI chatbot using Ollama. Since this is my first time, I might make some mistakes, though I did try making a chatbot some days back, but it didn't work out well. Alright, so but if this goes well and good, I might try to deploy it on Streamlit as well. Okay, so let's start. So first we need to go to ollama.com. We need to download Ollama and then we need to install it. And once we install it, we need to go to our terminal and write Ollama. So these are the commands. Start Ollama and creating a model for a model file. Show information of a model, run a model, pull a model from a registry, push a model to a registry, list models, list running models, copy a model, remove a model, help about any command. Uh, Before this, we need to see which model do we need to pull because we would be using this command. So we need to know what model are we going to pull. So these are the list of models. The thing is, they are taking too much of RAM. Okay. And I tried Llama 3 a few days back, but it was too slow, in spite of the fact that my configuration was as per Llama 3. So then today I'd be using Gemma2 with 2 billion parameters. Okay, so let's go. So we would say Ollama pull Gemma2 and the command says dot 2 billion. Okay, 2 billion. Okay, so let's see if this would take much time. I'll pause the video and then I would resume when it installs. I mean, it pulls completely. But I guess it wouldn't take much time. Okay, 73%. The thing was, this Gemma 2 was taking only 1.5, 1.6 GB. Otherwise, Llama 3 and all of these take somewhere around 4.7 GB. And I just want to try to make a chatbot. Okay, so this is complete. So let's see. Okay, so now let's Ollama run Gemma 2 to be. Okay, so I guess it's ready. So let's ask a question. Hi, how are you? Superb. All right, so bye because okay, bye. All right. So I guess this was successful. So now let's go to Perplexity and let's ask what to do next. So I've installed Ollama in my system, pulled and run Gemma2, 2 billion parameters. Now what do I do next to create an AI chatbot? Okay, okay, but Node.js. Okay, run the Gemma model, create an interface. No, but this is not of our use. We'll have to try again. Install Ollama and pull and in my terminal. Simple chatbot script, pip install requests. Create a new Python file, for example chatbot.py, and add the following code. If you haven't to make a chatbot more interactive, you can write a simple script in Python. Here's how. Okay, so it says install required libraries. If you haven't already ensured you have Python installed, you can install any required libraries using pip. For example, for this example, you might want to use requests if you plan to set up a web-based interface later. Okay, so let's copy this and pip install requests. Okay, now create a new Python file, for example chatbot.py, and add the following code. Import subprocess chat with Gemma user, call the Gemma model using Ollama. Okay, subprocess dot pop in Ollama run Gemma students pipe. Okay, send user input to the model. Okay, if error, print error, else print Gemma output. Okay, if underscore underscore name underscore is equals to main, print welcome to the Gemma. Okay, let's try this once. Just I'm not trying to understand the code right now, but I would. So I'm just trying to see if this works or not first. Okay, so let's run this. Welcome to the hi, how are you? I didn't get any input though. Output though. Okay, okay, so what's the error? Okay, so I am getting a reply, but there is some warnings. Exception in thread 8. Okay, okay. Sure map codec can't decode byte 0x8f in position 200. Okay, but it's working. Okay, there are some things only like this. It's a smiley, I am pretty sure. And it says, how about you? How can I help you today? So it is replying.